Hi everyone, I'm Annie here. I'm back and show you another tutorial for the kit, monthly kit, month of August. This is author applique. You can see. So bling bling. Okay, and yeah, no need to sew. Just everything is use the glue. And for this kit, yeah. We have 3 different of the applique, so for you to one kit for the kit is only receive one applique, but I have 3 different patterns. Some of you will receive this and some of you will receive this one is the left and right one, so some the flower is facing here and some is facing here, so yeah, 3 different patterns applique. And now I will show you this one. Okay, so this one I ordered is this applique. I ordered the time I thought it's all the same, but when I opened I find out the applique is different. But anyway, yeah, same, because you all use all the same material to alter your appliques. Okay, now get started. And yeah, what you need to do is hot gun. I love to use the hot glue gun. So yeah, for this one, the flower, you will receive 3 different flower, 2 in the small size. Let me check the camera first. Okay, one in the big size. The big one I will put this side, and these 2 I will put one in here, maybe one here. Yeah, see later how. Okay, and also you will receive the rhinestone trim for the kit. And this one I already cut the pieces. Cut one. Yeah, they will have 2 different colors. Let me just show you. One, this is in the silver, and this one like a peachy skin color. So yeah, for the skin color is this, you can see this one is just like a skin color, but so I will use this color. You can see I will glue it with this on the top on the flower. Okay, so yeah, just put a little bit glue and put your rhinestone just like so. And yeah, just see where you need to put it, and just randomly put it. Okay, if you have the clip, easy for you to pick the stone. Okay, for one flower I will put 4. I remember I have put give you extra one so you can see how many rhinestones you prefer to put onto your flower. Okay, like so. I think here I will put one more. So, it's difficult to pick the small pieces. Okay, I think the glue will be okay, like so. Let me check the camera. Okay, like so. So you got this flower. If you want, you can put one more here. Yeah, I think I put one more here. Too much glue. So yeah, put one more here. Okay, so shimmer, and the small one also, yeah, you just glue the rhinestone, so you got this. Okay, and now just put your flower on, you just glue it, see which side you prefer to put. And this one you can see also, you will get all these flat back ivory trim, yeah, so you just cut the pieces and glue it. And I add 3 the silver one, and here I also add the flat back pearl and the rhinestone here. And I just randomly see how you just grade the place that you want to add this. I didn't put all cause I don't want to make it too busy, so just like so. 3 rhinestone here and one here, and here I only add 1 here, so just like so. This one, so yeah, this I will not do all to show you cause I already not enough the applique, so I don't want to glue this on, because this one you have to for the member. So I just show you how to do it. Okay, you can see it. So for the kit, you have received this. Okay, you just glue it and add the rhinestone. I'll show you one more time. Okay, just add the flat back pearl. So just use glue, no need to sew. So you got this piece, and you can use all these. You can also, you can cut apart in small pieces if this too big. These 2 big pieces, so you can just cut a part of this part and on this part flower here. See how you use it. Okay, and I hope you like this outer applique, and thanks again for everyone for stopping by. And this is the last tutorial for the August kit. So I have to pack, sorry, I have one more tutorial to show you how to make this paper handbag. Okay, and I will come back and show you the tutorial, and bye bye for now.